Alright guys, initially I wasn't going to make a video, but I just got so excited by this new revelation that I just thought I'd do a quick one for you guys. One of the reasons why I got the Fuji X100V is because I wanted something that would speed up my workflow. So today guys, we're going to be editing some photos on Lightroom Mobile without a laptop. We're going to get some Instagram worthy images shot and edited without a laptop at all. Let's get into it. So one of the reasons why I got the X100V was because I wanted something that I could take with me 24/7, anywhere and everywhere, and sort of upload photos to Instagram without needing a laptop. I thought some of you guys might be interested to see that very process. It's a very sunny day, and we went for a little walk through the hills, and I managed to get some actual nice shots. I did some light editing on Lightroom Mobile and posted straight to Instagram. I transferred the images from my camera onto my phone via Wi-Fi and the app. I just realized like I can save myself a lot of time. And I just thought to myself, maybe I'm not going to need my laptop at all. Here we are. Let's open up Lightroom. So this house is just along the canal, and I just saw this line of washing hanging outside, and I just thought it looked really nice standing against the nice tall tree and the nice little blue sky. So what I want to do is just create a nice little gradient mask. So I'm just gonna darken the area I'll darken it here just by the fence. I've never really been a fan of sort of mobile editing, but having gained to grips with Lightroom Mobile, it's just like I just can't believe how effective it is and how easy it is to use. So yeah, I'm gonna add another gradient mask to the sky, just darken the sky there a bit, drop the exposure. I want the laundry to be the focal point really. A little radial mask here, maybe brighten that up just a touch. Yeah, and then maybe add overall contrast, a bit more contrast to the overall image. Maybe deepen the blacks a bit. And then in terms of color, warm it up just a touch. Okay, so let's go to selective. And then I'm just gonna sort of paint out, sort of just lighten, and then probably drop the shadows a bit. Yeah, I'm happy with that image. I think that looks good. Just gonna export that now, and then go over to Instagram, go to my stories. Fantastic, how cool is that? That has lightened my workflow, my workload incredibly. Went for a photo walk, I shot a bunch of photos, I transferred them onto my phone, I edited them onto my phone, and then I posted straight onto Instagram. No need to upload the photos onto my laptop, no need to convert the raw files into DNGs, which is normally what you would have to do. Photoshop and Lightroom doesn't recognize Fuji raw files, you have to convert them into DNGs. Very, very interesting, guys. And that's sort of the powerful thing about these Fujifilm cameras. The colors come out of the box, in camera so nicely that the only thing I really need to do, to be honest, is just to add sort of dodge and burn sort of certain parts of the images, just to create to just direct the attention to where I want it to do. And using Lightroom Mobile is more than powerful enough to do it. I don't need to use the Lightroom laptop, desktop sort of version of it to get the results I want. I'm very excited because one of the other sort of video ideas I want to do, and something I really want to try out, is sort of try out the Fujifilm recipes. One of the things that a lot of Fuji shooters like to do is sort of use so-called recipes to create certain looks. And so for example, I think it's from Fuji X Weekly, he's created, or she, I don't know, he or she has created these really cool Kodachrome and Portra 400 recipes. So in an upcoming video I want to try out one of those Fuji recipes and see what I can do with them.
But it's absolute.
I'm just quite amazed that nowadays we can completely bypass a laptop and post Instagram worthy photos without the need of a laptop. Photo editing apps have come so far. Anyway guys, enough chatter. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll throw up some other images that I've edited with Lightroom Mobile. Let me know what you guys think of the photos. It's about to rain, so I better wrap this up. Yeah, if you don't know how we do things around here, I upload to the channel twice a week. That's right, twice a week. Follow my Instagram at Zain Shoots Film. I post there daily, apart from the weekends, just to give myself a little break. Check out my portfolio at zainreasons.com. With all that said and done, boys and girls, keep learning, keep shooting. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.